The job of the Indian Medical Council should be to point out the lacuna and to get the improvements effected, and for that purpose the Modular Committee has suggested the appointment of a quinquennial commission to go into the question of medical education as a whole. Full stop. The Modular Committee has also commented upon the manner in which the inspectors of medical council are appointed. Full stop. They have suggested that the inspecting body should consist of educationists representing the Union Ministry of Health, representative of the university concerned, and 3 experts nominated by the medical council. Full stop. They have said that the persons so chosen should be of at least 10 years standing. Full stop. They want that senior persons should go for inspection, and they want that the term of the inspectors should be between 3 to 5 years, so that there is uniformity in inspection in the manner in which the institutions are to be upgraded, how they are to be improved upon, etc. Full stop. The last one deals with medical ethics. Full stop. As far as that part is concerned, I would like to say that it is the medical profession itself which can maintain ethical standards which are going down or which have gone down. Full stop. In such matters, the Indian Medical Association should be taken into confidence by the ministry as well as the medical council, because the maintenance of medical ethics is necessary if we want the noble profession to be called noble and not to be so and so. Full stop. The relationship between doctor and doctor, the relationship between doctor and consultant, and the relationship between consultant and consultant has been a matter which has been there from ages as a convention. Full stop. Unfortunately, in our country, healthy conventions have not taken deep roots, and we hear of and on complaints which are justified and legitimate. Full stop. One of the worst complaints is that the registered medical practitioners are issuing certificates which are not warranted by the reasons for which they are issued. I mean, they are either false or are given on false pretenses. Full stop. The other place where medical ethics should be enforced, as in the matter of medical examination of persons who are prosperous for insurance policies. Full stop. Sometimes there are other reasons why a certain doctor gets all the cases, while another doctor who is strict and who conducts the examination according to the procedure laid down is not able to get those prosperous. Full stop. it is for the authorities to patronize and encourage those doctors who are ethical, who practice medicine in an ethical way, and unless and until greater patronage is extended to them or their services are recognized, it will not be possible for medical ethics to be observed by all persons properly. Full stop. I can give an example. Full stop. There was a general strike of postal workers and about 400 to 500 persons fell sick according to medical certificates on one day. Full stop. That speaks ill of the profession, and it is for the profession to see that such doctors do not lower the prestige of the profession as a whole. Full stop. This is a good measure. Full stop. Medical ethics has been brought within the purview of the Medical Council in this bill, and I hope by having an all India standard things will be better. Full stop. On the whole, this bill is one of the best bills because it has come after the Medical Council has been in existence for some time, and the lacuna or the difficulties which they have observed, they have been removed. Full stop. But I would request the minister and through you, madam, the Medical Council these itself, that instead of spending all the reports to the state ministries concerned, they should also correspond with the universities directly, because they are certain medical colleges which are under the universities, and the universities are autonomous bodies. Full stop. Those medical colleges are not under the state. Full stop. I would plead with the Union Ministry of Health as well as the state ministries to deal with the problem of lowering of standards of education. Full stop. Whatever lowering of standards has taken place has been because the states have been eager to multiply the number of medical colleges, but the required number of teachers is not forthcoming. Full stop. The experience is not there. Full stop. If you insist on 5 years experience for a professor, it is possible one university may appoint him, but another university may not. Full stop. I know of a case where a person with hardly 1 year's experience or no experience at all has been appointed professor, if the same person were to apply to another university, he would not be appointed. Full stop. Therefore, there should be a uniformity of standard maintained in the matter of appointments. Full stop. Otherwise, the universities which are strict institutions which follow the regulations laid down by the Medical Council of India will find that the talents from their institutions fly away to the other institutions where they are not so reached. Full stop. In one place, if a lecturer cannot become a reader in another university, he becomes a professor because of the paucity of teachers